Cracking your own neck. Here's why you shouldn't do that. When you're popping your own neck, what's happening is that you're moving joints out of place and typically in the wrong position. I know that pop might feel good, but in the long term, it really leads to overstretching all those ligaments and muscles, and it creates instability. We do not want an unstable foundation, especially with our spine. Our spine is gonna surround our spinal cord, which those nerves exit out from. So in the long term, you're doing yourself more damage than good. Find a chiropractor that's gonna adjust your neck specifically in the right way it should move.